Seeing a connection error in Cisco Webex, whether meetings won't load, the app can't connect to the server, or you're constantly getting disconnected, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you the most effective ways to fix Cisco Webex connection errors. So yeah, let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try opening a few websites or running a speed test to confirm your connection is working properly. If you're using Wi-Fi, switching to a wired connection or restarting your router may improve network stability. Next, completely close the Webex app and reopen it. If the issue continues, check for updates and install the latest version. Software updates often include bug fixes and connection improvements that resolve common issues. If you're connected to a VPN, proxy server, or a restricted corporate network, temporarily disconnect and try again. Firewalls or security software can sometimes block Webex from reaching its servers. Testing on a different network can quickly reveal whether that's the problem. Before spending more time troubleshooting, check whether Cisco Webex is experiencing a service outage. If Webex services are temporarily unavailable, you'll simply need to wait until the issue has been resolved. Sometimes the problem isn't on your device at all. If the connection error still appears, restart your computer or mobile device, and if necessary, reset your network settings. After reconnecting to the internet, launch Webex again and try joining a meeting. If the problem continues, contact your network administrator or Cisco Webex support. And that's how to fix Cisco Webex connection errors in 2026. Hopefully, one of these solutions got your meetings working again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.